In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install indicators on MT5 for PC. If you've ever wanted to customize your trading experience with MT5 by adding new indicators, you're in the right place. We'll walk through this process step by step to ensure a seamless installation. To get started, the first thing you'll need is the custom indicator file. These files can often be found online, but it's crucial to ensure they're coming from a safe and trusted source. The most reliable place to obtain these is the official MQL5 market, which offers a wide range of indicators specifically designed for MT5. Stick with official sources to avoid any potential malware risks. Next, you'll want to open your MT5 terminal. Once you're in, direct your attention to the toolbox window. This is usually located at the bottom of your screen. Here, click on the Market tab, and from the options provided, choose Indicators. This section presents various options which you can browse through leisurely. Once you've found an indicator you want to try out, select it and click the Download button. Make sure you remember where your file is downloaded on your computer for the next steps. Now, it's time to launch your MT5 desktop application. In the top menu, look for the File option and give it a click. This will bring up a drop-down menu. From there, select Open Data Folder. This is where all the magic happens regarding installing and managing your custom indicators. In the new window that opens up, navigate to the MQL5 folder. Once inside, locate the Indicators folder and open it. This is the dedicated directory where your downloaded indicators live. Go ahead and copy the downloaded file into this folder. This step is essential because the MT5 platform accesses the indicators from this specific location. After you've completed the transfer, your custom indicator is almost ready to use. Open up the Navigator window in MT5 if it's not already visible. Within this window, you'll need to expand the Indicators folder. If done correctly, you'll see a custom subfolder. This is where your newly added indicator should be listed. Finally, to get your new tool active on a chart, simply click and drag the indicator from the Navigator window onto the chart you're viewing. You should see it become active almost immediately. And there you have it. Your indicator is now installed and ready to enhance your MT5 trading journey. Installing custom indicators can be a game changer, giving you the tools and information you need to make more informed trading decisions. Happy trading, and I hope this guide has made the process clear and straightforward.